Hey guys, welcome to the session. This is Trishi Ralva. I'll just do a mic check before we start the session. Okay? Yeah. Check, 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 mic check. Yeah, it's working. Okay? So let's start with the session. Hey guys, this is Trishi Ralva, master teacher of biology and maths at Craft. Okay? So, this is a new channel that we have created just 2 days ago on 15th of May. Okay, we came up with an idea of creating a YouTube channel for educating others. Why not? If yeah, nowadays you can see that e-learning has what e-learning has a lot of scope. Okay, so we started with an e-learning platform, that is a YouTube channel named as Craft Inc. Okay, Incorporation. Who are we? We are actually a group of 3 members who have created a YouTube channel just 2 days ago. This is showing 17th of May, but actually it's 15th of May. Okay, it's 15th. 1 second. Sorry for my handwriting. It's 15. I don't have a touchpad, so only it's like that. Okay, 15th of May. It's a specialized platform for e-learning. This is your physics teacher, Mr. Pramod Acharya. This is chemistry expert, Kavinci Krishnan. And this is me, Trishi Ralva, biology and math teacher for you guys. Okay, what are the features of Craft? Where you will get visual content PPTs for enhanced visualization experience, and you'll have doubt solving sessions, either on email or live. Okay, live streaming. And Menti quizzes will be held after each chapter. Menti quiz. What is Menti quiz? Mentimeter is an application that helps you guys to conduct to answer the quizzes properly, and then a chance of being in the leaderboard is given to you. Okay, you can also be in the leaderboard top 10 list. Okay, the questions can be ranged from medium to high level of understanding. Okay, and periodic assessments will be. What are periodic assessments? It's just to test your knowledge or your attention during the sessions. Okay, and leaderboards and achievement certificates will also be provided. These courses are all absolutely free. You can also join our Google Classroom link, which will be providing in the sessions later on. For any doubt, you can feel free to mail us at craft.inc@gmail.com. Inc stands for incorporation. Okay, this is an example of our PPTs. Actually, this is a graphical animated image. Okay, the elevator moves here, which is actually you can observe it in the later session, Okay, and this is an example of or picture of Menti quiz that was held. Okay, Menti, this is the leaderboard. You will be earning points as it depends how fast you answer and how correct you answer. Okay, if you give a wrong answer, you lose points. Okay, and this is the schedule for you. First session will be physics. Okay, basics. All are recorded sessions. Okay, now you can watch it any time. Physics basics is basically measurement chapter. Only instruments, etc. will be taught. And chemistry, you learn the introduction to periodic table. This is also just an informative session. you can enjoy it. Maths, you learn Pascal's triangle, how to expand binomials using Pascal's triangle. I think you might know what is binomial. Binomial is, what is a binomial? We'll discuss it in the session. The session at 9 o'clock today itself. Okay. And doubt sessions, it will be posted on you can post your doubts on email anytime on weekdays only. Weekends will be busy with your sessions, right? So weekdays you have to post your emails or doubts. Live doubt session after every chapter we'll conduct it on weekends only. Menti quiz also on weekends after every chapter. Problem solving sessions also after every chapter on weekends. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe and share this video for more such videos to come up in the future. Bye. So please watch the further videos that we'll upload today, and you can feel free to send your doubts through our email address that were provided in this PPT and also in the description box. Thank you. Bye. Oh my god, 1 second. Okay, thank you guys. Please do watch our videos that will come up today.